And we're back, and now let's have a look at the Nazis' actions from 1933 to 1945. Less than a month after Hitler becomes the Chancellor of Germany, the Reichstag fire occurs. Hitler blames the fire on the communists and bans the Communist Party. Days later, he orders a new vote, and the Nazi Party gains 44% of the general vote. Not long later, the Nazis sweep through Germany and take over all local governments. The next major event occurs on the 14th of July, 1933. Hitler bans all parties except the Nazis. We now skip a few years to September of 1938 for the Munich Agreement. The Allies give Hitler just what he wants, the Sudetenland. Hitler begins to think, if I can get this, what else can I get? Hitler's biggest move comes on March 15, 1939. He breaks the Munich Agreement and invades Czechoslovakia. The Allies couldn't believe that Hitler had broken his agreement. In September, a couple months later, when Hitler invades Poland, the Allies have no choice but to declare war. But let's go back in time a little bit to 1933, right after Hitler became Chancellor. He opens the first concentration camp, Dachau. Dachau was originally created for political prisoners. Over the next 12 years, Dachau would hold over 200,000 people. More than 40,000 people would be killed. Until the end of the war, more and more concentration camps would be created until there were over 20,000. There were many different kinds of camps, including forced labor, transit, and extermination camps. There would be 6 extermination camps developed in Germany over the course of the war. There were 3 different styles of killings: mass shootings, gas chambers, and gas trucks. The most famous of concentration camps would have to be Auschwitz. By the end of the war, over 11.5 million people would be killed, 6 million of which would be Jews. This wiped out over 2/3 of Europe's Jewish population. Many memorials such as these were erected after the war. This one says, "Never again." The Holocaust is truly one of the world's most horrific historical events. Its lasting effects cannot be put into words. No such tragedy should ever occur on Earth again.